always like to play with fire.
Welcome to Hashtag Coffee, where every sip and every bite is a harmonious blend of flavors. From appetizers and pasta to refreshing drinks and coffee, there's something for everyone. Located in Kumintang, Ibaba, Batangas City, right in front of the Batangas provincial capital, Hashtag Coffee is the perfect place to unwind and let the rhythm of life slow down. Experience it for yourself, where every moment is filled with bold flavors and cozy ambience. Visit Hashtag Coffee today and let the harmony of flavors become your new favorite melody. J Macaddox Season 2 would like to thank its event sponsors for this episode. Hashtag Coffee Capital Site, RGE Construction and Supply Incorporated, Kuya Jem Garcia, we would also like to thank our partner school organizations: Junior Marketing Association Arasoft Nasugbu Chapter, Junior Executive Marketing Management Association PUP San Pedro Campus, Junior Marketing Association LPU Laguna, Junior Marketing Association NU Lipa, Junior Marketing Association Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa, Junior Marketing Association of the Philippines PUP Santa Rosa, Mindanao State University Main Campus Junior Entrepreneurship and Marketing Association, Bestlane College of the Philippines Junior Marketing Association, National University Laguna Marketing and Advertising Group. And special thanks to Funnel Goddess and Be-Light Digital Studio.
Hello Marketistas, good morning and welcome to this brand new season of J Macaddox. Today, we open another exciting journey through the vibrant world of marketing as we reflect on the highlights of the Season 1. J Macaddox was born out of a simple yet powerful idea of the marketing students of LPU Batangas. First, they wanted to create a space where passionate individuals could come together to learn, share, and grow. Throughout the first season, we engage with diverse topics that not only educated us, but also inspired us to think differently about marketing. From the fundamentals of digital marketing to the nuances of branding and consumer behavior, up to their challenges of being a student leader during their college days, we explored them all. J. Macchiatox has taught us that the key to thriving in this dynamic landscape and dynamic market lies in continuous learning and collaboration. So as we move forward, let us carry the spirit of curiosity and creativity with us. Let us use the knowledge we have gained to inspire others and challenge the status quo. Together, we can create impactful marketing strategies that resonate the audiences and with audiences around the world. Before I end these opening remarks, I would like to thank the Junior Marketing Association of LPU Batangas, our dear officers who are actually behind the success of J. Macchiatox Season 1, and we are already looking forward to the success of J. Macchiatox Season 2. So thank you for being part of this journey, and let us continue to explore, learn, and grow together. Good morning.
Before we start this video, we would like to thank our sponsor for this episode, #Coffee Capital Site Branch.
Thank you po.
Salamat po!
Magandang araw, marketistas. Welcome to J. Macchiatox Season 2, where every sip comes with a story. I'm your host, Via.
And I'm Baby. For today's episode, we're diving into something very close to our hearts, the balance between the demanding grind of leadership and making time for personal wellness. It's something we all support, but sometimes it's difficult to achieve, right?
Exactly, baby. Leadership requires dedication and passion. But amidst all of that, how do you keep yourself in check? How do you balance your goals with taking care of yourself?
That's exactly the question. And today we have a very special. Our guest is someone who's had an impressive journey from being an org to becoming a certified marketing specialist, and now pursuing a new chapter in his life. Let us all welcome Sir Jesimiel Garcia.
Woo! Go!
So, hi, Sir Jeff.
Hello!
We're so happy to have you here today. So, thank you for taking the time to chat with us.
Sir Jem, it's amazing how you've been able to balance so many roles in your from a leader, professional, and now you're in new paths. Paano niyo po ba nasimulan lahat ng to? What was your motivation to transition from being an organizational leader to pursuing a professional career?
Okay, ang nagpaano sa akin diyan ay syempre ang mga kasamahan ko din. Hindi lang dito sa school, hindi lang sa org, kundi pati na rin dun sa mga organization na sinalihan ko na talagang nakita ko naman na very fulfilling yung job, yung duties na ibinibigay sa akin. Kaya, ayun, ganon.
Yeah. So, what an inspiring journey, Sir Jem. From being a leader of an organization to passing the certification and now heading towards to new opportunities. So, how did you manage to balance all these goals? Paano niyo po na-push ang sarili niyo to keep moving forward despite all the challenges?
Paano ko na-push ang sarili ko? Basta kinakailangan lang meron kang goal.
Yeah.
Napakahalaga na meron kang goal. Kaya kahit may mga struggle, basta alam mo yung goal mo, ay di magagawa at magagawa mo siya.
Kumbaga po, by having a goal, alam mo kung saan ka papunta.
Yes, ganon.
And we know naman po that juggling different responsibilities can be overwhelming at times. So, sa lahat ng sacrifices na nagawa niyo before, alin po yung masasabi niyong pinakamalaking sacrifice na nagawa niyo?
Ano ba yan? Pinakamalaking sacrifice na nagawa ko?
Sabi niyo po, madami. So,
Madami. Isa na doon ay napakahirap naman.
Sobrang dami.
Sobrang dami. hindi ko naiaano kung anong sacrifice yun, basta mahirap, pero talagang kinakailangan natin mag-sacrifice ng isa para
Yeah.
ma-reach natin yung talagang gustong-gusto nating makakamtan sa buhay.
Kasi nga, you can't be everything to
Yes.
everyone.
Yeah. Galing sa ating Miss
kailangan
CBA.
ay kailangan ay mamili ka din kung
Yes.
alin talaga ang iyong
Choose
gusto.
your battle. Yes, nga naman.
So, yeah, later can be really demanding but also fulfilling. So, you're at a different phase in your career now, Sir Jem. So, how do you stay grounded and avoid burnout? So, paano nyo po na keep yourself nyo para hindi kayo mapagod, parang hindi kayo ma-breakdown, gano'n. So, may mga personal wellness strategies po ba kayo that help you maintain balance? So, ano po yung mga ginagawa nyo? Like, nag-gym po ba kayo or something?
Hindi, pag ganun, para hindi ako ma-burnout or para hindi, kumbaga, hindi ma-stress, ang ginagawa ko lang, minsan, pag talagang feeling mo stress na stress ka na, ang ginagawa ko lang, tatahimik lang ako sa isang sulok, or, ang pinaka-the best therapy na ginagawa ko ay nagda-drive ako. Kahit saan lang akong pumunta, basta nakasakay lang ako sa sasakyan, nagda-drive. Yun, ganun lang ang buhay.
Tapos may magandang music. So, sino po yung nakakasama nyo while nagda-drive kayo? May
Wala,
companion
solo.
po kayo?
Ako lang.
Wow!
Parang me time na din. Dahil syempre ay nakakaranas naman tayo ng mga stress ganyan, ay ayaw naman natin na kinabukasan ay mukha ka namang losyang, may stress na.
Yeah.
So as much as possible, yung stress na yon kinakailangan, sa akin kinakailangan ay same day, mai-release mo agad. Yun. Dahil hindi pa pwedeng yung stress, dadalhin mo pa kinabukasan.
That's actually a very good insight din. Ano?
Opo.
So, Sir Jem, advice would you give to people who are in a similar position, trying to balance leadership roles with their personal goals and wellness?
Basta mamili lang kayo. Choose the best answer, ika nga, pag may mga exam tayo. Kailangan ay alam mo talaga yung pangarap mo, alam mo yung iyong pupuntahan, at alam mo yung talagang kung ano yung makakatulong sa iyo, na hindi lang basta tulong, yung alam mo makakatulong sa iyo na ikaw ay mag-grow as an individual.
Yeah.
Kasi napakahalaga nun.
So, and given all your achievements and the new path you're taking, is there a particular lesson or mindset that has helped you navigate these transitions? Or kung may gusto kayong sundan na footsteps, kung may gustong sumunod sa footsteps mo, ano pong unang parang maging hakbang or maging na dapat nilang gawin? So, ano po yung parang mabibigay nyo sa kanilang lessons or motivation?
Sa akin, kung may pagmamanahan man ako nitong mga pinagagawa ko sa buhay, ay enjoy lang.
Yeah.
Be happy. Dahil, syempre, yung isang bagay naman, pag talagang gusto mo, ay mag-e-enjoy ka. Kasi pag galimbawa, may pinagagawa sa'yo, tapos feeling mo, ay hindi ako to. Or let's say, for example, na parang hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo. So, yung naman ay talagang mapapagtagumpayan mo, di kaya hindi. Kaya as much as possible, ay enjoy lang at talagang be happy doon sa gagawin mo.
Yeah.
Talaga naman po, mahirap gumawa ng isang bagay pag wala doon yung
Yun.
puso.
Lalo't hindi yun ang passion mo.
Hindi mo gusto.
So, alam naman po natin na ngayon sa career landscape natin, madami pong changes and trends na pumapasok. So, kayo po personally, paano po kayo nakaka-adapt sa mga pagbabago sa mga work niyo?
Okay, paano nakaka-adapt? Ano lang, yung continuous learning. Napakahalaga nun. Kasi syempre tayo nga naman ay napakabilis ng facing ngayon ng buhay. Napakabilis ng facing ngayon dun sa ating mga trabaho. So kinakailangan para ikaw ay makasabay sa uso, ay matuto ka makipaglaro.
Yeah.
Ika nga. So kailangan ay alamin mo kung anong trend, alamin mo kung anong bago ngayon, alamin mo kung ano yung in ngayon. At through that, ay di yun, mas natin, yung patutunguhan natin. Kumbaga, kakain muna ako.
So, yun po, habang nakain kayo, meron lang ako mga, siguro additional questions lang po for you.
Okay?
So, ayan. So, dahil sa dami ng ginagawa niyo po, paano po ninyo sinisiguro na may time pa kayo for your personal well-being, like for family or leisure?
Time sa sarili, napakahalaga niyan.
Yeah.
So, ang ano ko dyan, minimake sure ko na once na ako'y nasa bahay na, once na ako'y nakauwi na, ay magkukulong na ako sa kwarto. Tapos, parang me time na yon. Hindi mo na ako pwedeng guluhin, hindi mo na ako pwedeng pwede mo rin ako kausapin through yan mga chat, video call and all. Pero yung para i-invite mo pa ako lalabas, ay di depende na din yung sa situation. Basta ang mahalaga, once na ako'y nakauwi na as much as possible, ayoko na lumabas.
Yeah. So,
Dahil
mahalaga rin po yung personal time.
Yes, lalo tigit ako'y mahilig humiga sa kama,
Yes.
nilata maghapon. Tapos ang pinasok ko pang karerang ito ay talagang ang kinakailangan nasa labas ka lagi ng
Yeah.
bahay. So, napakahalaga nung kahit man lang 5 minutes na paghiga sa kama, ay talagang kukuhanin ko yun. Yung chance na yun.
So, I have an additional question po. So, sa journey naman po natin, hindi natin may iwasan gumawa ng mga pagkakamali or mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
So, based po on your journey, ano po yung one mistake or one problem or challenge na gusto nyong iparating sa mga younger generation na huwag nyo gagawin tong mistake na to?
So, marami po ba kayong mistakes?
Mistake? Madami, pero hindi naman siya yung point na parang nakasama sa akin or parang talagang isusumpa na ako dun sa ginawa kong yun. Hindi naman. Basta ang advice ko lang, if magkakamali kayo, siguraduhin yung kayo makakabawi. Kasi napakahalaga nun. Kasi para patunayan nyo sa tao or patunayan nyo sa inyong sarili na hindi ka ganitong tao, hindi ka ganitong klaseng tao. Napakahalaga nung papatunayan mo sa iba na you are more than paano yung English nun? You are more than that, parang gano'n. Yun.
Yeah. So, ito po, since syempre magta-transition na po kayo sa new opportunities.
Okay.
So, sa mga pagbabago po sa inyong career, ano po yung mga challenges na kinakaharap niyo po as of now at paano niyo po ito hinaharap?
Challenges? Ang challenge talaga sa akin ngayon is time. Time management. Yan, napakahalaga ng time management. Dahil syempre, may mga pagkakataon na kailangan ka sa ganito, kailangan ka sa ganyan. So talagang i-schedule mo ng ayos, kinakailangan sa umaga pa lang or bago magsimula yung araw na yon, alam mo na agad, nakaplat na kung ano ba yung schedule mo for that day. Kaya napakahalaga ng time management. Yun talaga ang aking problema, ang time management, ang oras.
So, isa rin po ba yun sa naging parang gusto nyo matupad this 2025 na magkaroon ng parang plan sa mismong araw para wala po kayo nakakalimutan? Since...
Oo naman. Actually, sinisimulan ko na siya. Nagpa-plot na ako ng mga lakad, halimbawa, kaya napakahalaga na ako'y nakabili nung planner. Though hindi naman siya sa kitchen shop. Hindi ko na talagang yun. Basta mahalaga may planner lang ako para naka-plot na doon yung mga lakad, yung mga events, mga activities na for the month.
Yes.
Yun.
So, alright, Sir Jem, let's make things more exciting. We have a fast talk segment for you. So, pipili ka lang ng sagot, bawal ang explain. Ready?
Okay, game! Bring it on!
Yes.
So, let's start. Morning or night hustle?
Night hustle.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Work hard or work smart?
Work smart.
Big risk or safe moves?
Big risk.
Leading a
risk,
team
tama.
or working solo?
Leading a team.
Meetings or field work?
Field work.
Success with stress or peace with slow progress?
Akin ay peace with slow progress.
So, 1 hour of sleep or 1 day without coffee?
Ano yun?
1 hour of sleep or 1 day without coffee?
1 hour of sleep.
If you could describe your journey in one word, what would it be?
Happy.
Yes. So, wow, that was fun. So, thank you for playing along, Sir Jem.
Hindi naman fun.
So, thank you so much for sharing your journey with us, Sir Jem. We really appreciate how open and honest you've been about balancing ambition and wellness.
Yes, thank you so much po. You've definitely inspired us and I'm sure our viewers as well.
Yeah.
And you've shown that it's possible to chase your dreams and still take care of yourself. Salamat po, sir.
And to our marketistas out there, always remember that success is not just about grinding hard. It's also about taking care of your mind and body. Stay inspired and keep working toward your goals while keeping that balance in check.
Until next time, Marketistas, thank you for joining us on our second episode of JMac Season 2, where every sip comes with a story. We hope that you've gained valuable insights from Sir Jem as he shared his experiences and journey in balancing leadership, ambition, and personal wellness. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories and lessons from our future guests. We can't wait to have you with us again on our next episode. See you next time, Marketistas.
Welcome to Hashtag Coffee, where every sip and every bite is a harmonious blend of flavors, from appetizers and pasta to refreshing drinks and coffee. There's something for everyone. Located in Kumintang, Ibaba, Batangas City, right in front of Batangas Provincial Capital, Hashtag Coffee is the perfect place to unwind and let the rhythm of life slow down. Experience it for yourself, where every moment is filled with bold flavors and cozy ambience. Visit Hashtag Coffee today and let the harmony of flavors become your new favorite melody. J Mechanic Season 2 would like to thank its event sponsor for this episode. Hashtag Coffee Capital Site. RGE Construction and Supply Incorporated. Kuya Jem Garcia. We would also like to thank our partner school organizations. Junior Marketing Association Arasoft Nasugbu Chapter. Junior Executive Marketing Management Association PUP San Pedro Campus. Junior Marketing Association LPU Laguna. Junior Marketing Association NU Lipa. Junior Marketing Association Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa. Junior Marketing Association of the Philippines PUP Santa Rosa. Mindanao State University Main Campus Junior Entrepreneurship and Marketing Association. Wesleyan College of the Philippines Junior Marketing Association. National University Laguna Marketing and Advertising Group. And special thanks to Funnel Goddess and Be-Light Digital Studio.
Ayan, good morning everyone. I hope you are all still tuning in in our live. Kumusta naman kayo? Ayan, we're already here for the most awaited part, the raffle. So, ayan, I hope you had fun learning and tuning in for today's J Maciata's episode with Sir Jem. Now, for our raffle part, we will be choosing 4 lucky winners. Sino kaya sa ating mga viewers ang mananalo ng ating raffle prizes? Are you guys all excited? Comment down below kung gusto nyo mapili. Yan. Pag nag-comment kayo, higher chances of winning. Source? Trust me. Ayan. Tingnan natin if nandito na sila. Ayan. Hello, hello guys. Good morning. Ayan, sana mapili. Sana mapili. Dumadating na sila. Ayan. Are we all good? Yan. Ready na kayo? Let's wait a little bit more for others to join. And since coffee yung theme ng live natin, J Macchia Talks, comment down kung ano yung favorite coffee order nyo pag nasa coffee shops kayo. Ako, personally, I love Spanish latte. Kayo, anong favorite coffee order nyo? Ayan, badly needed daw. Ayan, si Princess Dimaga, not fond of coffee. Okay, I see. Matcha lover, or just not fan of caffeine. Yan, sea salt, Spanish latte. Anything daw, basta kape. Ayan, mukhang gising na gising naman ang ating mga viewers for today. So, without further ado, let's pick the first winner of our raffle prize. Let's go! Spin na yan! Sino kaya ang maswerteng first winner? Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan, let's go. Sino daw yan? Raffle winner, Sulaiman Khalid G. Please comment down your name below together with your school and the official hashtag for our J Macchia Talks Live. Paki-comment down below po ng name, school, and hashtag for J Macchia Talks Live. Let's see. Khalid G. Sulaiman, nandito ka ba? Tinatawag namin si Khalid G. Sulaiman. Kindly comment down below your name, your school, and the official hashtags for our live to claim your prize. Ayan, let's wait a little bit longer for Sulaiman. Nasaan ka na? Khalid? Mukhang wala pa siya. Since wala si Khalid, we're choosing another winner. Let's move on to another person, please. And now we have Oliveris Zion Ezekiel D. Wow, what a name. Kindly comment down your name, your school, and the official hashtag for this live to claim down your prize. To claim your prize. Ayan, nasa na si Mr. Oliver Zion Ezekiel D. Mr. Oliveros, are you here? Are you here? Ayan, dumadating pa ang ating mga viewers. Mr. Oliveros. It seems like wala din si Mr. Oliveros. So, bomba na yan. Ikot ulit. Ayan, sino naman to? Ikaw ang ating raffle winner, Malbas Princess Nelva M. Miss Princess? Princess Nalbas, kindly comment down your name together with your school and the official hashtags for this live to claim the prize. Miss Princess Nalbas. Ayan. Are you here, Miss Princess Nalbas? Mukhang wala din si Miss Princess. Okay, bomba na ulit. Iruleta mo na yan, sis. Hopefully, nandito na siya. Ikaw na ba ang raffle winner? Bulaon Alali S. Alali S. Bulaon, kindly comment down your name together with your school and the official hashtags for J Macchiatox. Miss Bulaon, Alali S. Are you here? Magparamdam kayo sa aming Miss Bulaon? Naku, sayang mukhang wala ang ating mga raffle winners today. Ibomba na ulit yan. Roleta, go. Ayan, sino na to? Sino na to? Aguilar Francine T. Miss Aguilar Francine T, kindly comment down your name, your school, and official hashtags for J Macchiatox to officially claim your prize. Miss Aguilar Francine T. Miss Aguilar? Are you here, Miss Aguilar? Mukhang wala din. Bomba na ulit. Ruleta mo na yan. Go. Eto na. Eto na. Ayan na. Mendoza Lawrence Michael S. Calling the attention of Mr. Mendoza Lawrence Michael S. Kindly comment down your name, your school, and the official hashtags for J Macchiatox to claim your prize. Mr. Lawrence, are you here? Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence. Mukhang wala din. Bomba mo na ulit yan, sis. Roletta, let's go. Ayan, sana nga mapili na. Sino na ang ating next raffle winner? Cuevas Kurt Angel B. Nandito ka ba? Magparamdam ka sa amin. Kami ay naparito hindi para magambala. Eme. Miss Cuevas. Kindly comment down your name, your school, and the official hashtags for J Macchiatos to claim your prize. Cuevas Kurt Angel B. Mukhang wala si Miss Angel. Bomba mo na ulit yan, sis. Roletta, go. Go na po ulit tayo. Another winner. Ayan, let's go. Sana mapili. Sana ma-choose. Ayan! Sino yan? Oh, eh. Sarihani Gardawi G? I'm sorry if I butchered your name, pero Sarihani Gardawi G. Kindly comment down your name, your school, and official hashtags for J Macchiatos to claim your prize. Sarihani. Charing. Maharani pala yun. Iba pala yun. So, wala si Sarihani. Ayan. Nandito ba siya? Nandito ba siya? Ayan, sige, isang roulette pa tayo since wala pang ating mga viewers. Ayan, sino ka? Caraga Alexis Rain A. Caraga Alexis Rain A. Kindly comment down your name, your school, and the official hashtags for J Macchiatos to claim your prize. Caraga Alexis Rain A. Are you here, Alexis Rain A. Caraga? Mukhang wala pa rin. Wala pa rin tayong nakaka-claim ng prize. Sige, bomba mo na ulit yan, sis. Hindi tayo titigil dito hanggat walang nananalo. Go! Ayan, sana mapili. Mustafa Shane Farhan S. Mustafa Shane Farhan S. Mustafa Shane Farhan S. Kindly comment down your name, your school, and the official hashtags for JMakia Talks to claim the prize. Mustafa Shane Farhan S. Yan. Waiting tayo sa mga nagko-comments. Mustafa Shane Farhan S, are you here? Wala pa. So, sige. Bomba muna ulit yan, sis. Ruleta, go. Sana mapili na, no? Yung mga nandito. Daginotan Jacob E. Daginotan Jacob E. Are you here? Kindly comment down your name, your school, and the official hashtags for JMakia Talks to claim the prize. Mr. Daginotan Jacob E. Ayan. Nandito ka ba, Mr. Daginotan? Mukhang it's time to bomba na ulit. Ruleta, go. Ang ating mga abanger sa comment section, sana mapili na, ano? Para worth it ang paghihintay. Yan, we have another raffle winner, Mangiat Ea Bianca A. Mangiat Ea Bianca A. Comment down your name, school, and official hashtags for JMakia Talks to claim your prize. Ayan, sana nga mapili na yung mga nasa comment sections. Miss Ea Bianca A, are you here? Ayan, sige. Roll na ulit. Ruleta, go. Bomba na to. Kailangan may manalo. Sino ito? Sino? Giataw Jazzy May P. Giataw Jazzy May P. Are you here, Jazzy May P? Kindly comment down your name, your school, and the official hashtags for JMakia Talks to claim your prize. Ayan, si Miss Manggi at Ea Bianca, dumating na siya. Kindly comment down your name, your school, and the official hashtags for JMakia Talks to claim your prize. Ayan, hello Miss Manggiat. Congratulations for winning our raffle. Ayan. Finally. My first raffle winner na tayo here. Waiting for the name, the school, and the official hashtags for JMakia Talks to claim the prize. Ayan. Waiting for Miss Mangiat. And while we're waiting for Miss Mangia to comment her name, school, and official hashtags of JMakiaTalks, let's roll the roulette. Bomba, go! Sino to? Sana nandito na siya. Althea Shane M. Libre. Libre Althea Shane M. Are you here? Makakalibre ka sa amin ng raffle prize. Wow, ang funny ko doon. Tumawa kayo. Charing. Miss Libre, are you here? Comment down your name, your school, and the official hashtags for JMakiaTalks to claim the prize. Waiting for the comment again of Miss Ea Bianca Mangiat. And of course, Libre Althea Shane M, are you here? Roletta, go, ibomba mo na ulit yan. Are you still guys here? Swecon Olivia L. Swecon Olivia L. Okay. Since wala yung mga napipili nating raffle winners, kindly comment down your names na lang in our live chat sa FB sa ating mga viewers. Kindly comment down your names para gagawa tayo ng bagong wheel kung saan nandito yung mga talagang nanunood, di ba? Para maklaim agad natin. Ayan. Ayan, congratulations kay Miss Ea Bianca Mangiat. Yan. Kindly message our page na lang ulit with your name, your school, and the hashtags to claim the prize. Together with, of course, your GCash number. Congratulations, Miss Ea Bianca Mangiat. Ayan. Sino ang tatlong maswerteng mapipili from our viewers? Ayan. Ilista mo na. Ayan. And since it's a Sunday, may mga balak ba kayo for this day? Family day, rest day, friends day, gala day? Ano mga plans niyo for today after this live? Kindly comment down below. Ayan, namatay pala yung audio ko. I'm so sorry. Again, kindly comment down your names in the chat box and we will put it sa roleta. Ayan, may work schedule daw si Miss Princess Dimagan. Very good, very productive naman for today. Nakakatuwa. On the grind for the hustle. Ayan. Excited na ba kayo mga viewers para manalo? Ayan. Comment down your names. Ayan, dumadating pa sila. Ayan, very good, very good. Sino kaya sa ating mga viewers ang mananalo? We still have 3 winners left. 3. Again, a big shout out and thank you to all of our sponsors and our partner schools. Ayan. Are we all set? Wala na bang hahabol for the Roleta names? Go, go, go na ba tayo? I think we're all set. We're ready to go. So, ibomba na yan. Roleta, go! Ayan, sino kayo mananalo? Oh my God! Ayan! Congratulations, Mr. Riz Alison Ramos. Kindly comment down your name, your school, and the official hashtags for J Maciatox to claim the prize. Mr. Riz Alison Ramos, are you here? Waiting for the comment. Mr. Riz. Ayan! Congratulations, Mr. Riz Alison Ramos. Kindly message our page na rin po with your name, your school, and of course, your GCash number para masend namin sa inyo yung prize. Thank you so much and congratulations, Mr. Riz. Ayan, we only have 2 winners left. Sino kaya ang mas certain ito? Ayan, Roleta, go! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Congratulations, Miss Kim Acosta! Ayan! Kindly comment down your name, your school, and the official hashtags for JMACIA Talks. Congratulations, Miss Kim Acosta. Ayan, mukhang isa na lang ang ating nahanap. Ayan. Yan, nakita na natin ang comments ni Miss Kim Acosta. Again, congratulations. So, let's go na. Habang nag-iintay for the very last one, usap muna tayo, a little chit-chat. May pa ka ba? May paano? May paintay? Ayaw agad ibigay yung last. Since it's a Sunday, ano yung music of the day nyo for today? Something that will lift your mood up. Ano yung go-to music nyo pag Sunday? Ako kasi, lately ang gusto ko yung mga 90s rom-com soundtracks. So, mga Linger by the Cranberries, ganyan. Para feeling main character. Kayo ba? Anong mga music na pinakikinggan nyo lately? Ayan, Unwritten by Natasha Bedingfield. At ayan, since okay na ulit yung ruleta natin, let's go. Sino kaya ang ating last winner for today's raffle? Go, go, go! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ayan, congratulations, Miss Seti Lau. Seti Lau, are you here? Kindly comment your name, your school, and the official hashtags for JMACIA Talks to claim the prize. Ayan, bakit labis kitang mahal? Grabe naman. Very OPM diva ang atake ni Miss Matibo. And ayan, just waiting for the call. Yan, congratulations, Miss Seti Lau. And we're all set with our raffle winners. So again, thank you for tuning in for our JMACIA Talks episode of today. I hope you learned a lot of lessons with our episode. And for all the winners, kindly message the page with your name, your school, and your GCash number so that we can send you the prizes. Once again, thank you so much to all our sponsors, our school partners, and to our viewers. Ayan. So let's wrap up this live. And again, see you on the next episode. This has been JMACIA Talks.
Welcome to Hashtag Coffee, where every sip and every bite is a harmonious blend of flavors. From appetizers and pasta to refreshing drinks and coffee, there's something for everyone. Located in Kumintang, Ibaba, Batangas City, right in front of the Batangas Provincial Capital, Hashtag Coffee is the perfect place to unwind and let the rhythm of life slow down. Experience it for yourself, where every moment is filled with bold flavors and cozy ambience. Visit Hashtag Coffee today and let the harmony of flavors become your new favorite melody. J Macaddox Season 2 would like to thank its event sponsors for this episode. Hashtag Coffee Capital Site, RGE Construction and Supply Incorporated, Kuya Jem Garcia, we would also like to thank our partner school organizations. Junior Marketing Association Arasoft Nasugbu Chapter, Junior Executive Marketing Management Association PUP San Pedro Campus, Junior Marketing Association LPU Laguna, Junior Marketing Association NU Lipa, Junior Marketing Association Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa, Junior Marketing Association of the Philippines PUP Santa Rosa, Mindanao State University Main Campus Junior Entrepreneurship and Marketing Association, Wesleyan College of the Philippines Junior Marketing Association, National University Laguna Marketing and Advertising Group. And special thanks to Funnel Goddess and Be Light Digital Studio.